Share the video, let the video go viral. You. Yes. Share the video. Share the video. Let the video go viral. One more music before we go straight to the topic. Let us play one. Yes, share the video, let the video go viral. Share the video, let the video go viral. You are all welcome. You are all welcome. Good evening. Share the video. Let the video go viral. Hello, mommy. You know good. Oh, money, mommy. You know. Oh, money, mommy. What to you look? What to you look? What to? Oh, ti well, ye, ti well, oh, ti well, ye. Oh, money, aji. Oh, money, aji. Wait. Kuna soliviero sologun. Hey. Imalazao. Magwalo kono musema be azao amaza muyene le balaza ibele be balaza. Yes. The last track, Friends Akaba, thank you very much. God bless you. Share this video, let this video go viral. Now me una brother wall of una know. Una good evening, una welcome. Don't be annoyed, don't be paralyzed. The Edo man, when he come for here today, na Edo go speak. The man if I dey speak some broke people for inside. Una go dey hear am. I don't call. I don't many call since. I don't see saying our sister. I don't call. I don't see the man saying our brother. So now I say I'll come enlighten some matter here this evening. Before I go analyze them, I go talk for my talent. I will go talk for Igbo, Anam Brakedu. I go see talk for that side. If you dey here, you know they speak Igbo. No surprise, say today I go speak Igbo, new generation prophet attitude, no language when I do hear. Any artist speak Igbo man go understand. Ugbokwen, yeah. If you don't know what can orisi waya to we na Muhammad waya gbeme we 101 waya I dey gbeke ya aso ni me. Adoguma ni me o ari platform me. O ari platform me o ga mi ni me wa ni mo new generation prophet attitude. No ki ye ko viare e wona ti evileka omo no ma Yesu ku no go azebo no the broken English. So if you need about otana imi video pa no papa so di gome no there. O send the gome ina do not have na do miewe. Ibude inya e ma yi mi wa ya wi man. Mana ge mi wa u owo wo mu ma zevi if you wa ma hin. Zevi if you wa o no you wa ga mu. Wo you wa do mi awo nyu ma to si, nyu we no gbin we na no wa yin. O no mu mana. Gba mi ma ni pe ana, we ni ma ya gun an, we ni ma ya gu wa gun an. Osonu wa no bu gogo yo. Wale ge o mo pia wa we bi e di same character emi na ni magui na we o ti me we yi me o vi we ona me do mi wa ko eri o we gui so mana agu wa gui egba mi na bi ji ma wa ga take away crime no awu ni wa ya fi weri e awu ni wa yin di yin mi no keke adege wa ka we ri e mi ma ta du wa ka we ri e present as bunora e Europe una sewa ori ekere wona una sewa ya e presenter ka te no jo we oje ni mebe gun na ni ani ya ni metana o jo we mana ade wona ari ekere wona ya we ni wona ari ba ni e no te keke no abi di ma beni agwe ni pi agun eri ave gun ni ko gun e tu yin me mo bo gba ni muslim o yin me ma gba ni me awo kuno mose opiano gwalo kuno mose na ga za o ma be ni maje ima yiza o muyan o ko ni mo ku ni amuse ma yiza o muyan na ya dia yan na ya kamia o yin me lo keke na atege mama anyu me we go gwe ma be menyu me we go ta we fu for 40 fu forever ono si ona mi we o ma be ni meje new generation o no ke le carré o iza more mana mo mi agbadi awutana kenita kenema bijima ya fefefe averima nwala nwe ya bome no manoro wayiri ni kaza boka ma bijima verima ne de ba manore de ba mobo mowe ni za boka mwa even repoti YouTube Prophet Atiti Top Show adegu ma ri oboye wa my subscribe ye wa nu la onu ya play the quotation bet no pie the following kese ekege ni ala YouTube ni na we show ni ya da we na da we na ri epetu we na kenu ri aye umekina mege ya gba ko to ta mu we gbebo da gbenu ya ge me ya ga we mi no bu wa ni ya ga yin mi no bu no ba ya bi agbogi e ya bi aju wa ya gie ya bi awe mi no keke ya bi ale ru ni ma iye be ki mi na be ti route different route o ku egbe o ge eko afure ya we kino fure ana mi gile kino fure na mi omo we mere do no we ga re do no wa mi we okuta debe de negwogo oba no meto ano le kwele ko wa we mi we to bugwe imanage testimony but wa agogo kian ogogo ni megwalo ni via we ni office wo bono ma la vera me vije o me video pa ni mieno de ikagwa ka video ni na kota ina de gbejo do adia utara na do gwa kan ina do nota no bun agbona ni majena we no robo ni enipia eri o robo ni ku awe eniko ga gwire ban awe nipia ma nipia ga gwire ban awe ni ku ma abijima nwala o if you wa ma yakin awoku obi oba obi ekan obi vi o we bi me ni generation ubu wa no te wa ru yi gedegbe nu wa isupa wa isowo awunyi wan wanyi awon anyu won tosi nji me no ma gba zewo omo no ma koko awunyi me wanyi egbunyi me beri o wa sowo o ma keke awe ne koko doli won so e wan no so we no do kian so we na bijima imi video pa ban wakan koto ade ibi Anambra na ya ma bobo we mi ma zewu nyi mi ma ni piano bun yi hu ma ya dekun ya ini ku akaka wo nyi mi ma ni piano te nyi mi ma ni pia e ki agbi biere no ki agbi biere no o si e ya mi gbu ku na gbe ki atu no awona control pia ma die ge ni no bun wo o si na ya in video ni mi o we na okay kaka bo da me adege me no viedo me na kame o give him away o we no we na me do o kame na no na de ko yo wa o ki aka mo si owo e owu unyime na wa be yin ya me yin wo wa o ya we o igbe agia but abi wo na no tegbe me ri o ma wo sinya wo e weta o wa me ya me o ya me o igbe agia mu were o wa me no me abi yiga pa ba re ne ira meje mistake ne abi sun yi ma na yiga sikini ri wo do ni o wi ami o ida yiyan ma eni ma o se ti uno da fin yen ni wo wa ri lata we a wa be ju ya be yin gbi agia eyin yin ni a we no si ma fe gbe odase of nia o eno bunyere o we ri o no yewe yin bunyere na be koko awe no ama oge ijima we no sunu da obokri agu wegukere iyebeku wegukere ete na dori e worion ete na dori e mo iwen we bia orion oge kakabo dane ete te bi tene ki arie no mo no ye nwa de grand new generation ahian do va no o si ebiedo na wa awe mi agemi hu igbe wi pia no fun neti na e piche me ni the real picture of some upon evede na ya we agwale no ba ri gun no wi gbo real picture ge o some upon evede na e scammer no ne but scammer o wa nene e nene ona o mu ne picture do dado wa no ya deceive vi ko na baba o ve gbe ira wa ve gbe iku bomo yo e ki ama ona yo bo wu ewe bona ni magena mani bonwo land of opportunity no kemi no ri a o zevi yo mo no ri ba yo onwetegun ne zevi ro mo kemi no ri a no ri ba yo onwetegun ne bi no ma o we na ma be gbe I defiati o ma me me gwana de na ke a o ke be gbe o ya me do mi ni mi o dege no gbera but ibude eri no na bidima avere ma we ya fe no ri dan yo iji man we no sunu da nuka bob e busy egbe te we are be na o ja sele ke hin ari enu e zebe ko ni receive vo debe ya ike so wa na do mi we awe won ma nuti amene nuti ya jaji wo pia a ope agbono eiga no emi ni to yo na kam wa very short video no abi ma ya fe abi single mother abi ko no we ro wodo kati ko no ro wodo no bo voice so wo the ba single mother o pia no wa ma address en wa bege me net ebo we phone na iya wa we na ya togi awi material things na ya we na ya togi iya we na ya fipileku ipianu wa ma so wa nu wa lao nu wa agbangbegbe yan wa agbangbe oyebe ro wo opi awo to ame no yebe ro for years o I mean le sunu I mean le seti sunu but ovi gboni not working now ele mo ki ala o gbe o ki ala o wo ta igbagbon de gbe oko e disgrace not only no timano kuna in Napoli o timano kuna in Napoli e ma no e ya ti menesin ni agumegun a avec gbe iku bon yo si na ya fefefe e ti pia rewun gbeje ni e ki ma gallant e ma ehwe a o ve no ve gbe o si na ya so ijima ege ka bo da we gbe yan we amenoro oza wa gbo gbogbo a o no ve gbe o si na ya always here ave ikuna no pa owodo because no dey social benefit here and ogunwo awe gbe na eno adowo pe ala me mi no wu una do bodo pe apa na me mi no wu awe 400 orire wo no ku na be ame mi no wewu we na be are 400 dire 800 ni he also wa ya live also wa ya re lai e ki o pe aga pari wina okwu agara sinu a okwu ga pari wina o pe aga new generation o si na ya wala abijima ka boka bo yimia itan fi loju gbe abijima awe disgrace to wagiri egima wa isowo o mai mi no keke o pe anu mai no da wa gwa phone o dege we face to face with phone e no ma keke e no ma gba no di uzangi egbe ne gbege ga kian o mo ga kian wo do o e kian bueno yo mo ga o e kian we a o e kian at least believe we we jina ni a e video me se kinu je ne kinu we a ti napology ma no lega we ya call me nesi we mi video ni eku egbu we ma mu we we jina we may get yourself when ya ama we e to ba we e to ga di social media no do we to ya gwa le viewer to ya gwa le yon ma o ma je beri o awe won ma nuti ame no pia ma wo pia ni origbo ni e wo bino bubu no e wi ano nwa paso bino o ma e oni o si e ke Hello. What are you? What are you? Oh, yeah, contribute. No.
You see, you talk one word, just not the same men, not the 50 way the woman did. You don't know what to men where they for that city don't do that woman where you can't make her go to find love for internet.
As they tell me, they say na Igbo man I bought 2 pikin for before.
Okay. Now something I make the woman go to find love where you go to find for internet. So me I feel say yes so you dey hear me so as me I dey talk to you so. The time when me I know my husband where we can stay where I'm married where we can where I born pikin for so. The time when I say no now for where I dey work. Like somebody they told me my patron my oga wey get the working place na him they told me that time. Me I tell them my oga say sorry I'm not a friend man wey I dey work under. He say why? I say because if I dey friend man wey I dey work under, he say wey I go do something wey he no go like he go sack me for work. The man look me, tell me say that one wey I talk, he say really touch I say but he go discuss am with one of his brother. Now they pass my phone, he refer to my number to his brother. So therefore, now I take my husband where I say where she give me happiness.
You know, say, listen, why I tell you one word. You know, in the word where you throw away, so we see pick sense from inside. You know, see, you say, wait till they try to talk now, eh? Now walk. Now you for know that man, not be internet, not be internet. So that one, they different, totally, they different.
We not go blame this woman. You don't talk about say na Igbo man na himself born for. You don't good for her. Maybe he like something for Igbo men body. Now he see they saw another Igbo man where he come go for internet go dey find man. Before he don't go for this problem so. You dey get me so. You see this one they call scam. It is for everywhere. Me when me they talk to you so something happen for me. Maybe 4 years ago. Yeah, the last to see something for internet, I will go buy with my card. I will buy my husband just they warn me, say this way they say not so good. Could you believe say I that bet where they call out stomach ghetto, that share body shake so. I buy it on the 19th for internet. They never reply me. Now but why these people never reply me, give me the shipping date and everything. I did not check my account, they don't collect the money, they collect 359 euros.
You know what I want quarrel with her for? You know what I want quarrel with her for? Yeah, well, I'll blame her some more. I'll still blame her some more. You do well for your contribution. We see big sense from inside. And I will go listen to your contribution again. Maybe I will still take sense for inside. In case of another day, I'll take and see advise people. You do well, my sister. God will bless you. Anything way they put on, it go better for you. No problem. No problem. No problem. You do well. Thank you. So, my brothers and my sister, if you do not go in, or Zedo, or Zebo, or maybe Ebo not to say now the moment like Ebo, but you can't anywhere you have Zedo. So if you do not go in, Ijiman, where to book where, Zevin Wewa Seni, Uwo Baruru, when I am with Billadian, read picture where someone born a scene, Wabi Wabi party. When I am with Billadian, Okbiani, no those come weni, when I'm your water, we set a good web one. But we only got control, we're being now, every no badgy. Be no ba. I think I may ban on Makia, or Muriema walk piani my way, or I'm oak piani, even we were sooner in Manobuma. Ego yangi yagualo, ego, abi imavena. He cut the quick temptation and a dog by my well, did that guy 6 months ago. He gave it time, my man, or we have few, or we have few man who need dead. Oh, my messenger calling one of our panua. In 1 minute, I mean, we are quite few naming when in a review in a block. This Biasuga no matter all if you bet the only leeway, or my no ya, no gure. So, Avijima, no allow. Imo ni adu tag me ya igume gwan esin. Ya wa mi kuna ego ma gwan ogo foko ukia. Ewo no ji ologa ki mi owe. Kana do miewe iviego oni ya yibia uma o. Oye be jaje no pa ni o si me no ga re ga na window twin before coronavirus case we. Iseva we ami iviedo ivie woman of we gan iku ivi gbogi e gan ni bana o rebe beba o rebe oyin na to wo so no we iye ovi gbogi e ki wo so nu ina ari address mi ya gwale abi mi ame yo na mi yan wa a o rebe o ma buse I oni fe o se ya gba ri ku na ya fe eso yi mi eso niyan oyi kan yo so wa we maybe ibabe we ni ro kere dada ko na yan ma me so abo ba gigo gun me pan iwa to wa o i do we fa no so wa fa no do ami abi ko na da are no da o we no a o we yan ma oni ayu bo wo si na ya no wa lao yin mi aye mi wa abiji man awu ni me wa me ni ya fe kina o ese video na ama sure every set is sure kina o so because you know ke kina ri ni ku na ya fe o kina so ari yu ni adi na yu ni gbe yan adegin na yu ni gbe yan ma o yi ni o ke kini ma ri e ni yan adegin ma yu ni gbe yan ma be gbe yan re ma be yan so ye wo we no na je we ni te amugbe te la jan be na but yen dogun megun an iwen dogun megun an e o ma ero ahuna ki mi owe olowo oko ido mi owe mi no da worion o viere te wo wa gbon re o to we mi le so bo kuzebude o ma we mi la dano so we no je ma ke mo bo ku we gui ma ke mo bo ro wi we o vi gboni le piso egwe yan ye di tete egwe ni yan ye di tete maybe yan di tete fune yan ga fi mi ya gume adege ni ge do re phone na ni flash e ma wa or we wanana nene we boru we manana so eri ivie do no me so avijima waya awaya same no sunu na ave ikunoro wodo single mothers awaya same no sunu na nia oh no with social media imano with social media ma but imano with social media wona na ania o walao wa wemi avijima wa remi u eki ayobo obowan yabo odafo wan for our ogu e no ma se mi o si na ya eki ayobo wan mo odafo wan for our ogu e if no ma se mi ayobo gbon wo wan for our ogu e eki a una fi ikbiano bunia igoku yen wa agwale yen agwalo bi ya tuta ke single mother e igwo no bun eriyan we gwale go pe ahian eki ama una yubo wu eminariri au na tike na dai o si na ya efi won kiki ivie do no go me mostly ikwo ma efi won kiki ami do ma do so agbono gi ma fe wa gbon adegu ma fe omo we fo ma ya no rewo bo de na eri ma ya bo wa be do but omona ade wono boni yen opportunity erugbe Africa na bi Africa omon we bie ma okunu weri good name Kenya no weri ni esi Kenya okovi gwenia ona da omono no advance ni a ona do mi video ni we ni jomo ona do mi video ni we so wo ga ari si when will be happy you will not be happy so ni riri ta popa ma okina wi jomo ya fefefe no ri ma ni ya awe mi me to bi me no mi video ni e ko ma ni me ama wo wi we ona ame mi opa no una o de to ifie pilot ni a de to ifie moto ni a ona do mi video we ni your morning ona do mi video we ni ijiye na ina o ga fie play ona de wodo hu awe opopo wa no owo popo azeno o wa zeno re we yen no azeno re we yen no we ne yo bi yen si no so avi yo mo ya fe vini riri ya tai owe hiye presenter vini riri ya tai walao no mi video na wana mi show na vera no piarivo no hurivo andu nyumesi we ki aseti do nu digo nyume dan komo oyo edogbo maga aje bere ni oyana mo pe pa woji maga ebe makedo nwa afo ebi akedo nwa afo yan akedo paki wodo ni maga owi oji e maga ti e mi no gba oye me na ti wan owi azen e fi api eluwe una yima e ke agwalo pe ahian a una won do we na total de na we na adam yimi na yan share video na go wesin we totania opiano ma se opiano we biena or you do you we wana or mu were we betu mu were ya ekie igbe balome ekie ma no you no do opia oku ga o megbene a marriage is taking of 3 days a marriage or take it time to understand it be ida age pastor of boy den yan ga poru ma wan wa ya temata ma yan kazi gbo wodo kimi no riri ado wodo azi gbo wodo we apa wa we na ri kinu we di wodo ni gbenu we te ya we apa wodo we ri la wodo we eri ori aji because so abo no ku we wa wo pe ani te ku gbe owo wa we no wo wa no dolu wa ni ma se ti dole yi but de na o piano ma se we o de mo disgrace te bi te o do muju wa gbe so e no see etiti e bo no won pa ma e we se titi e bo we ni ya general ese na vi ma ya fe wa lao wa ri no manoro wa ni ne manoro wa drop e we no keke me ya me video na ke no de ade me o e ki am si mu na we ijo mo wa na ina we no ku na zo se na amo wo bi e ga do mi o do you think that baby will be happy? Or no, see, we have been my fefe wa awe mi wa agewe wu agbe biere we came na ri awo adege when we are da fun we ni wo ka oni onyi wo pe ani mama eri we se ti wa ka onyi mo pe ani pa mama onyi we ma bi ama we no ko no bi ani meje ne we no onyi we mama eri oge ma bi ama ta dolo iku gbe but wa si egbe wa gwa le mi oro di meji wa gwa lokian odun wa me na se gbe ani e worry yo ma yori number 1 egbo pe alwe do banu anana bi tell with bedroom nia we me banu mo odafu we maybe odafu we ni ona wo ni we pe mu we wa son egen gwa odafu na aro na wo ni mu we wa son we wa gbe na wa ro gbe bai wa wo pe na my stage wa pa ni an wa ri po wa my stage wa pa telephone conversation nde e ave bi no ga gi nyonyana aove ewi no gba so erita seviedo my country people una good evening una welcome the Igbo people the broken English people I beg wetin I come beg una get one video when in the viral dey go now when one of una brother wey Igbo man when he speak Igbo for inside the video wetin I come beg una wey be presenters from Igbo, una brother Igbo, una sister Igbo, I beg. If I say when I call the cursor now, I never see this man, but they just send the picture for me. Very soon, name everything they'll bring up for me. They'll show me, they give me everything, I'll come talk to them. But wait till they try to tell una wey be man, wey come for other tribe, wey not the year been in a very short message. Una know say I know the tape for video, I know be presenter. I be traditional daughter. Whether you try to tell una I beg this evil act wey una dey get for women wey una go say una wan follow woman be friend una come dey disgrace them for outside no be wetin e good you that man when he record this our sister you come circulate and make people see am sit down for your house think am whether na good thing you do whether they go do am to your mother if you know say a person do am to your mother he go pay you to do this thing. Your days are numbers. Your days are numbers. Better go better go and beg for forgiveness in any way and come out and confess. God, what you do so as that man when you go record that woman come out, come bring her, come make people come see her. Now cost now you put for your generation. Cost when they no fit when pastor no fit develop, when native doctor no fit develop, when they no fit deliver now I call and develop. So na very bad thing. So if una dey there una be men wey dey do all those things because of money, una wan find money for woman hand, una wan find money for woman hand. Some women see they do am, some women they do am now. Now the new system where they take they operate now be that. I beg, Muna come for this evil out. Muna come for this evil out. Don't be waiting good. Sometimes you feel be man where God want bless forever. You're wet, you know if you can't. Because of this mistake, when you can't do so. You go come be say you wait there for flat before you can't go one room. You wait there for room before you can't go straight. Go to find food they eat. Not be waiting good, my brother. Any of brother wait there wait they do one. Any brother where they wait there for them we go they do all this type of thing. Not be waiting good. The way I take come and say if I come this evening, 2 of them now trouble as I come for road just now. People come they call me. They go explain things to me. I beg, sister, what you want beg una? All this internet men where they write message for una. If you quickly accept them, block them. If you quickly accept them, block them. Say you be single mother, you get one man where they feel they tell you sweet word for telephone. You don't know your address. You don't know the part of city where for come. Even the Oyibo land when you dey, you don't know the city where they stay. You don't know the address of your house. If they talk to you for phone, this phone when you see, so that they take fake account, open date of birth, everything. Then they change name, they open and you go put the picture. So our sisters, make una, they look something to do. Our brothers, I dey beg una, na very short video I can't drop. Since when they call me since, people call me, my moon, when I want to come out, it changed. I see Tikan yesterday, I versed yesterday, but I see and say, the woman, I see our mama, now our sister. Not be say just come out. He call the dance. He call the do as the rest people. This one come out. He love man. He give an act. He acts before saying doesn't man when you want marry at the old age. See what you that man go do. Do you say God will forgive you? God will forgive you if you put one for anything tomorrow. The thing call the wave. The thing not call the good. You call the say na your wish waiting for your village. You say na wish waiting for Anambra. You don't know what you go do other woman. If that woman tears when they come out for that woman body now, as the woman be, so the pace when they come out for a man now. Many people say they don't call her, not the pick phone. They say they don't call her, not the pick phone. Pace, the woman go there for inside bed now, the tears. All the name of love, man, when you be loved before, see what you go cause for a body. You that man, wait, they do it to your sister, they do it to your mother. Will you be happy? If you know what is good for you, that man, when I share this video, make viral. If you know what is good for you, better go on your knee to go and beg that woman and beg the word and go and make confession. It's not a good thing that you do. It's not a good thing. Really, I'm telling you the fact. I've been in church when I no go school. The way I fit to tell you, so now I tell you. Now the way I fit to tell you, now I tell you so. Whether like you know, whether you take it or not, is very bad. You just sit down for your parlor now. You do how way do this thing. They'll just send video come for you like that. It will be your mother. How will you feel? That is evil art. Devil worship. Dey for your family. You need deliverance. You that man will do one. If not because of money you do one before. They say money no go enter your hand for money. You no go enter for evening. They say anything where they pour hand, now you are ball. Now you go till they come out for a side. Anything where they lay on your hand, they put that man. It not good for you for morning. It not good for you for evening. Now wait till they say when I tell you be that. And then they wait when they bring your information finish. If they don't bring and finish, I'll come swear for you. The swear will follow you till the next generation. For what you do that woman. Now very bad thing how you do that woman. Very bad thing. It's no good. So my brother, that's why I talk and rage. I beg you for today na first time when you come here. When you call this my platform, I beg you subscribe to Prophet Atiti Talk Show for YouTube. I'll come talk as I take the comment. Whether na once in a week or 2 times in a week or will they make people the joke for there? Will they do different things for there if we don't reach there? But the way I take comment this evening, the way they take tell me, talk to me, I can't confuse. May God not let us confuse. I feel sorry for that woman. I feel sorry for her. So I beg, if your brother wait did there, sister wait did there, mama, I beg, una the respect una dignity. Make una the respect her. If it say I come out the way I take come out yesterday, go read that work, I will call the measure all of them. I not see today, I not even talk about that side. Because I don't know the real story. This is our sister Nanapoli day. So I beg, if you did there, you be man. I beg, use your sincere heart to the follow woman. Not because of money, go do what you're not supposed to do, what cause go to follow your generation. Cause go to follow your generation, not be waiting good. Me be man when he gets sense where it don't happen to me 6 months ago. Early morning when I just get off of bed, I just see message that call. as I see the light bright, now woman wey naked. Now I tell her, say, this morning when I'm going to work, call this one, my friend, you are a coward. Now that day, that woman call me rich. If I be man when weak, I go at that bed. I don't know waiting make her call me that morning like that. So I beg, make una dey look something they do. If you be woman, you dey there, you need man, you see man. Make sure say you find a rich house. Go know a house, go know a family background. I know say some women born for Europe here, they don't know their family, the man will give their belly, they don't know their house. They don't know their house, not be waiting good. Try me, go know their house. If now your tribe do this thing just now, or that man, you know I reach a house. Since yesterday, you go don't send message go to people house, send the video to the people, say, when I see what my brother do me, we not quarrel, we not do anything. If family go know how they'll take talk to them. But nowhere to find out the boy now, you know if you find out. So our sisters, we did there, when they say tribe no good, person will say teen no good. Person will say teen no good. Now what did they see for inside this? Say because we come there for Europe, una wey be woman now go dey condemn una own brother, say they're no good. Not be waiting good. Not be waiting good. Muna change una character because of the one way they come again. Muna teach the good things. Muna they teach the good things. Now that's why I tell una read this evening. Any I take talk and not be present, I tell una always. The little that I have, I can't drop on. If you take for my own, you go that one, go take, you go join all of them together. It gets on one way no good, you get the one way good. You go take and they do something. Mostly our women nowadays, computer. Hello. Italy number. Maybe go call back. Na Italy number. So I beg. Muna they look something they do. Muna not go dey fall for all those trash. Muna not go dey fall for all those rubbish. I beg. I beg, I go beg una. Since when they, some of the people will come in the morning, I be one coming so. We coming just now, I be coming so. So I beg, anything una they do, our sisters, disgrace una they give us. The disgrace won't come too much. Our papa come out, come swear. Say they don't want me, they see these people was split again. If you say they see day now, they never swear put. The disgrace for day now, if you pass the one who would see. The disgrace when they fed do down, now with the throttle and meg now. Where other one go they come out, or other one go they come out. I beg. Anywhere on a day, my sisters, Muna they look something they do. All this one are everlasting shame. Any person we doing you by, where you're doing you, say it by doing in the find anything view or anything. Time they come when you go see get the shame. Talk about see this one where you don't know. You don't know. Say I love you. He open his heart as a good woman. He open his heart as a good woman. Say I don't see man. Let me end the rest of my life here. Let me plan a good things with this man. The man say I open. Then you go see this insult. So our sister, people say they call you sis, you know carry phone. I beg take heart. Since 3 days they say you know they carry people phone. Take heart. This one it give many women lesson. Many women will learn from inside. Now so we men see be now so we will still learn from inside. When I see one man that it can't be bracketed now. So if you not take learn sense from inside this thing where they happen, so you go see they happen more. And the shame when you go put for your body, it not be now everlasting shame. Now wait till you go for split. If you not be person where you get strong heart, when they say add the failure. Add the failure. Now they add the failure they come. I beg, sister, wait, they there. Brother, wait, they there. We go see this video. Anything when I talk, since take the good one, may take do something. Take the bad one to where. Now, so I thought this video reach because I thought they go. Now, I'm not saying one complete 1 hour, so I know they pass 1 hour. I be like, say the 1 hour, I don't for inside my brain, I don't the grammar. So if you get call where you want call, if you don't get call, it's still good. I beg, make una subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. Mona see press the notification bell for here. Mona press the notification bell, mona press like. In case anytime when I did line, una phone go make you go, una no say I did for line. I dey sell for different route for this one. For this one, I don't want to measure am. This route, so you know, no say if you dey for our place. Now fresh leaf. When I drink some more water. No say if you dey for our side. Now fresh leaf, fresh wood. Now we will put drink. As the doctor say, it don't come, it don't dry. If you buy this root, you go let am soak well. You well. Not be say you always there. You put drink today. You start to drink and you say no work because it don't dry before the drink go soak enter inside. Go take time. Now better root where you go buy for us where you go dey take am. Where you go know say. We're calling for the other line. Hello. Hello, Mama, good evening. Good evening. I did for life. Oh. Okay, welcome, madam. Talk to us.
Yeah, I said the man will do this thing. You not go better for him.
Amen.
You not go better for him for afternoon.
Amen.
You not go better for him for night.
Amen.
Because you put shame for this woman body, now shame go be your own.
That man.
Now the man that they cook so. Shame will be your own. Your untimely death can be yours until you go back and apologize to that woman. But at the same time, they use this period, they beg our women. Make we they get limitation. Limitation is very important. I beg. Make we they get limitation. Not be everything we go just give man. Like that. I beg our women. Yes? Make we they cover our body small. Because this she went too far. The guy was doing it on purpose. You know? I beg my sister. Take heart. But this is a lesson for all of us. Thank you, my brother. You have spoken well.
Thank you, man.
Bye.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. So, I beg, I dey sell am for different routes. If una need them, make una call. If you call me, I will tell you the work where you will find for inside. But this one, I plenty pass. This one, una know what I think I talk now. If you're man, you know say, I know what talk and finish. Not be everything that they talk. So I get them for different routes. If you need them, you call, but it go take time. If you reach your house, it go take time before it go soak. I know if I give you now, you already there. You buy drink, put for 1 time, 2 times. You just go to me and say no work because the wood is not dry. For our place now, fresh one, I did the bring them. If we did for our place now, fresh one, we did they put drink. But for here, it go take time before it go soak. Before it go start to, So now, so I talk this video, reach for this evening. Our sister, now so we'll see beg you as a mother. Because then you be our mama, you be our sister. You not be small picking, you be sister when you don't advance. We be one. Make sure say they for one place before the end. You know, say as our brother the preacher, single mother must marry. Now you take see your love before. You know, say na bad this one and bad love. So our sister, our mama, take heart. Anything where you see, I beg, may you try me to carry people for me. They see encourage you, may they see give you hope. That's why I talk and read this evening. Good night, sister. God go bless you. God go give you strength for morning. He go give you strength for evening. And he go still give your pikin strength. I want to use this opportunity, the last say, please, if that video there with you, If that video dey with you as a man, as a woman, that video dey with you for a house, I beg, make una delete the video. If you be man, take and send na your mama. If you be woman, take and send na your sister, or take and send na your mama. Na woman, the born woman. Na woman, the born woman. Na woman, the born man. I beg, if that video dey with una, for us, anywhere on a day, for part of the world. As I dey finish this video now, the one wey dey for inside my phone, I dey delete and throw away. Una good evening, una good night. Make una sleep well. 1 hour don complete. It don complete for inside my brain. Una do well, God go bless all of una for part of the world. Anything we una dey put hand, go better for una. The cause we will cause for here, not be we come look here. Anyhow we take us on. The prayer we will pray for here, now be all of us home. Una good night, make una take your pikin sleep well. Make una take family sleep well. God will bless all of una. Good night.